Alright.
I'm gonna make a giraffe and I need green and I need to switch it down. And you just need to get a little giraffe like this. Here, let me put it really close up.
Look at my cookie. I've got a cookie for you.
And I'm still need to switch it up.
I made a cookie.
If you need to switch it really good, just grab this. This roll.
My cookie. No, not my cookie. How am I supposed to eat this? No, I'll put a tail in my cookie.
It's a turd.
There's a turd in my cookie.
Stop. Go put it in the body. Dead body. Now you need to put the giraffe in here and smush it really down.
You gotta turn it the other way.
So you just have to keep it in there for a minute. Stop. Then you take it out. What is wrong with my giraffe?
You put it in the wrong way.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut it out like this. So you're just gonna cut it like this before you take it out.
That poor giraffe.
For the giraffe.
I don't have a head.
Please stop being funny on the video.
I don't look like a giraffe. I look like a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Really?
What's wrong with your giraffe?
I am a giraffe in the video.
I'm a Tyrannosaurus on my head.
What is wrong with me? Are you crazy? Da 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 da! I'm the end.